After all those delicious Onam Sadhya feasts, today I was craving something completely different. A nice Chinese style pasta my way. Welcome back to my channel. First thing, let's boil some water for our pasta. I'm adding a good pinch of salt so that the pasta cooks with flavor right from the start. I've got a colorful mix of veggies ready. I'm soaking the chillies in hot water until they turn nice and soft. Let's chop the beans sideways into thin pieces. Next, we will cut the carrots into fine juliennes. They will add a lovely crunch and a pop of color to our pasta. The water is boiling. Now let's add our pasta and let it cook until perfect. The pasta is soaking up the hot water and slowly cooking to a beautiful tender texture. This spaghetti usually takes 8 to 10 minutes to cook, but it should be cooked slightly firm when you bite it. Now let's chop the cabbage into thin slices. This adds a lovely texture to our pasta. Next, we will cut the broccoli into small florets and soak them in hot water with a pinch of salt. This helps retain their color and crunch. Next, we have the button mushrooms. We'll cut each one into two halves. Now let's slice the capsicum into thin strips. They will add a lovely crunch and vibrant color to our pasta. Look at those vibrant colors coming together. Our pasta is going to be as beautiful as it is delicious. Now we will slice half of a big sized onion. Onions instantly lifts the flavors and gives our pasta a delicious base. I'm also adding a handful of spinach leaves, and without ginger, no pasta is complete. It adds that subtle warmth and depth to our sauce. Let's chop them into very thin pieces. Let's keep the ginger aside for now and chop the garlic. This garlic really lifts the noodles, adding a wonderful aroma to the dish. The pasta is cooked and I have strained it in a colander. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of gingelly oil and giving it a good mix. This keeps the pasta from sticking and adds a very subtle and nutty flavor. Now I'm mixing together soya sauce, red chilli sauce and our homemade chili paste, giving it a good mix, and we will keep it ready. This will be the flavorful heart of our pasta. Now that everything is ready, we will start bringing it all together to prepare our delicious Chinese style pasta. We will start by adding the finely chopped garlic to the warm oil. See, it is sizzling instantly. You can get that wonderful aroma in the kitchen. Now we will add the finely chopped ginger. It blends beautifully with garlic. Now we will add cabbage, beans and carrot to it. Also adding broccoli. We will stir the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. Adding little salt. Adding capsicum and mushroom. Just need to saute for 1 minute. Let's add the spinach now. Now we will add the prepared sauce, but not too much as it can turn very spicy, just enough to coat the vegetables beautifully. The vegetables are still crunchy and just perfect. Now we can add the cooled pasta. For this preparation, I have used half a packet of Durum wheat semolina pasta, just the right amount for this meal. Now I am adding the smoked tomato paste. This gives a deep smoky flavor to the pasta. Adding little reserved pasta water. This helps the sauce cling perfectly to each of the pasta. To finish, I am adding a packet of masala magic powder for that extra burst of flavor. Our pasta is ready. It is not a dry pasta. It is slightly juicy with just the right amount of sauce. You need to eat and slurp. That's when you know it's perfect. And that's it. Our colorful, slightly juicy pasta is ready to enjoy. Eat it hot, slurp it, and savor every bite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe.